Hey everybody, this is Thomas here at MGM Classic Cars. We're in front of the building here with Jimmy as well. I want to present to you guys this 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, obviously finished in a black, one of the best colors out there. This car obviously has an LS7, 5.7 liter LS motor, V8s, mostly all stock. I don't see any bolt-on things there, so to me it's a stock vehicle. It's got lightly tinted windows, beautiful body all around, nice paint, nice shine. It's been detailed, clean engine compartment. But keep in mind, what's so special about this Z06 is that this particular car is a 50th anniversary. So it makes it a little bit special, and you'll see that in the two-tone steering wheel and also the floor mats as well, and the emblems that are in front of the car there, right on that, right in front of the hood. Okay, so this is a real 50th anniversary as well, Z0603. Let's check out the interior a little bit. I did want to show you there is some wear and tear here in the boulder. Okay, normal wear and tear. I will have that professionally fixed, so our guys come in to fix that. All right, so besides that, there's your 50th anniversary there. Everything's clean. Steering wheel, it's showing 53,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, and it's a 3-owner with no accidents. Aftermarket short throw shifter, and the heads-up display is an option there, along with the active handling there button on the center console. Okay, so Jimmy, hop on in. Let's start this baby. I want people to hear it. We are very, very proud of this car and very excited when these Z06s come in. As you can see, beautiful exterior, guys. Nice shine on the paint, nice reflection. Wheels are all in good shape. Hey Jimmy, let's hear this thing. There we go. Yeah, baby. Beautiful, beautiful throughout, guys. Okay. All right, Jim, let's go for a little ride. Yeah, we love this thing. Yeah, Jimmy. All right. Well, guys, here we are at MGM. If you guys need financing, go ahead and give us a call at 847-848-1850. We also have delivery right to your driveway. Text me or call me with your zip code. Thanks for watching. All right.